Hello students, how are you? I hope you're fine. I'm fine also. I show you in thumbnail. According to that, I'm telling you in this video same thing that I made this video basically for final year student and first year and second year student as well as. So listen carefully, attentionally. I'm telling you some important facts regarding your examination. If many students have seen many newspaper cutting and if you are watching a lot of YouTube videos, you can see their newspaper cutting, Amar Ujala, Hindustan Times, Times of India, etc. etc. There is a lot of newspaper, you can see their cutting, but I am not showing here any newspapers cutting verbally. I am telling you orally, I am telling you front of you. I have one information that I'm sharing with you that same that your examination has been postponed for September. So your exam can be your exam can conduct between two dates, 15th of August, between 15th of August to September first week. So be prepared, final year students. Basically, most important, you must listen that your examination will be held on this between this date. Date sheet has not announced, but many university has updated that date sheet. You can see, but mostly Uttar Pradesh universities has didn't upload any date sheet still now, and students are facing some problem. Students want that they should be promoted, and they should be promoted during COVID-19 because of they are unable to go in examination center, and they don't want to take their exam because of they are fearing because of COVID-19 is spreading surrounding to all. So students are thinking, well, but UGC guidelines, students, undergrad commission has been given their update, and I think you have seen. So according to UGC, every university will obey that rules, and they can't deny. So your final, I'm telling you that you have to take your examination. Final year student, listen again, you have to take your examination between these dates which I have told you before. So be prepared, and many students went in high court, many students have went in Supreme Court. I seen a lot of times, but there is no any consideration, there is no any benefit, they didn't get any benefit. So leave it, don't waste your time, just concentrate in your study. Let's see what will happen. UGC has decided they conduct your examination of final year, and this can bad news for final year students, but what can I do? Just I am YouTuber and I'm making this video. Whatever I have information, I'm updating you, I'm sharing with you. So you subscribe this channel, and whenever I have latest update, then I'll intimate you towards this channel. And besides this, I'm telling you regarding first year and second year student. First year and second year student, relax, because of you have been promoted, and now you will say me that there is no any written notice. So how can you say that we have promoted? But according to UGC point number 4, according to point number 4, if you will see in UGC guideline, then you will read there that you have to, every university have to repeat UGC guidelines, which they updated in dated 29th April, first UGC guidelines. So that's why according to that we can we can think in our mind that we have promoted, I think I mean you have promoted in next class if you are student of second year or first year, and what will be grade size, what will be marks criteria, I don't know, but some in fact indeed 2 or 3 points options are available in UGC guidelines or latest update you can see Uttar Pradesh website. So then you will you can be clear that one point is that you will get your marks in internal basis, or the second option is you will get your marks in assignment basis, and third point is you will get your marks previous method. If you got 50% marks in previous year, then you will get 50%, etc., etc. You can see proper guideline. You have to read that proper guidelines which is available in websites. So students, be prepared, and just I made this video for final year. Don't stress. Just concentrate on your study, and everything will be fine. And let's see what will be next update. I'll intimate you, and if you share this video till end, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. If you will do it, then you can provide me some motivation for further videos, and I'll make other videos for you, just for you. Thank you.